Good morning, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Hope everybody's doing well. And the Memorial Day weekend looks to be warm, with chances of thunderstorms here in the east. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But we'll talk about what's going to affect us beginning Memorial Day and possibly then thereafter, which is potential for Alberto to be an issue. Right now it's 90L, and we can see the computer models have a good cone that's going to come between Florida and Louisiana. Now the thing is, this is going to be slow moving. It's going to cause a lot of rain, and some places don't need rain, like Virginia. And you're going to see what's going to happen here. Unfortunately, we're going to be seeing more rain for Virginia, and we don't need it. Like I said, we had massive flooding around here, even into my street. So it was crazy the other day, last week. And we've had over almost 12 inches of rain in a week's time frame, which is a lot of rain here in Southwest Virginia. But anyway, we're going back to what's going on, and let's take a look at one other thing. This is the current position, 90% chance of growing, because this is going to get out from the Yucatan, and you're going to see just a lot of strong showers and thunderstorms to the east of this currently. So that actually helps it out quite a bit when it gets above the Yucatan. As I said, that's the one spot. And they're going to start, okay, this is just in breaking, I should say. NHC, National Hurricane at 11 a.m. will call this subtropical storm Alberto. So we're going to have Alberto coming up here at 11 a.m., which is about 40 minutes from now. So we have Alberto, and subtropical start with, and probably come into a full tropical situation. So we have Alberto here at 11 a.m. Intensity guidance shows it's in tropical storm force levels, so that will occur before landfall. Running a computer model, the HWRF, on Alberto here, you're going to see this thing gets out over the ocean. That's when it's going to gain its strength. There we go. This is on Saturday night. 993 low. You can see fully enclosed. This is when it becomes more of an issue. Continues to move north and east. This becomes more tropical-like looking. Here's Florida, here Louisiana. You can see it's 983 strong low with wraparound moisture by the end of Sunday. Makes landfall by Monday early morning, and then from there we'll move inland, but still cause issues. I'll show you something here in a minute, the GFS model, and we're going to see Alberto come into the place here. Some showers up here from a lingering cold front, but here's the issue. Out ahead of it, showers, thunderstorms by Monday. Shouldn't hit that. That's the model viewer. Anyway, this thing will then get caught by the next front and intensify. This also be a low pressure system, so the chance by Wednesday into Thursday could be even a chance for some rotation in storms. We don't need that around here in Virginia. We've had 2 tornadoes within a month and a week in Bedford County itself, so that'll be one problem we'll have to watch out for later in the week. And cold fronts will come through and sweep this up over a period of time. We'll back this up. I'm going to back this all the way up. That's an issue we have to watch out for. Now, Storm Prediction Center, current situations. Slight risk in Iowa, and let me pull this up. Slight risk here in Iowa, Wisconsin, and part of Minnesota, and also down here in Oklahoma. The Hokie storm chasers have gone through Iowa, so they may make this as a play. Marginal risk from the Canadian border down to around Dallas and Waco, and another marginals up here in northern Maine, which you don't usually see, and out here in Idaho. Places you just normally don't see that. Tomorrow doesn't have anything really huge. The marginal risk will be for isolated tornadoes along the Florida coastline. And then we get into day 3. Wyoming, Nebraska, Dakotas. And after that, I think we're going to have to start watching the potential here on the East Coast for that with the rotation of Alberto. So, Memorial Day weekend will be half and half. Showers, thunderstorms possible in the afternoon around here on the East Coast. Other than that, Monday itself will probably start becoming wet. Monday night into Tuesday. And after that, we have to watch out for Alberto's remnants here in the East Coast. Other than that, keep an eye on everything here with us at weatherblogs.com and the Weather Pros. Meteorologist Team Davison. Thanks for watching.